I'm humbled to accept the 2020 Roosevelt Ruffin Diversity Award. I didn't get the chance to know Dr. Ruffin. He passed away 2 years before I came to SVSU. But the respect my colleagues had for his legacy was palpable, and my own respect grew when I had the chance to learn from his book, The Black Presence in Saginaw. And then again, when I watched several colleagues who've been models for me win this award: Ken Jolly, Ava Lewis, Dawn Hinton. All of these folks, lots of us, I think, don't just value the fact that SVSU is a teaching institution. We value the kinds of things that we can teach. We can be a window onto the wider world for our students and our community. And we can also help everyone, including ourselves, look inward more thoughtfully and critically. When we work together, we can be a force for real progress, and very specifically for helping folks not simply tolerate or accept difference, but honestly celebrate it and support it. We can help folks see that racism, sexism, homophobia, ableism, and a host of other evils are composed of both systemic problems and individual choices, and we can make positive change happen. In that spirit, I see this award as a challenge for me to do more and to be better. I hope now, more than ever, that you'll all join me in accepting that challenge. Thanks.